Hello everyone, this is Nice Light Media. So today I will going to show you how to use frequency separation to remove brain sheets from your picture, how to remove brain sheet from your picture, and how to use frequency separation to balance your skin, the skin color, and removing any black dot from the skin using frequency separation. So first you duplicate your layer. When you duplicate your layer, then you use your layer, you pick this particular tool, you pick it, then now you zoom your picture out, zoom it out, then you carefully remove the big brain sheets, the big ones, you remove them, the big peoples, you remove them. You remove them gradually so that you won't destroy the texture. So we'll be doing this fast so that this video won't be too long. So guys, we are done removing the brain sheets. You can see before, this before, this after, this before, this after. You can see before, after, before, after. So after removing the brain sheets, then now you can double click your layer twice, to get 2 layer marks. So now first you will name this layer low frequency separation, which is LF. You name it low frequency separation, and you name the high one high frequency separation, which is HF. So after that, you turn off the high frequency separation, then you blur the low frequency separation. So here we are working with the low frequency separation, which is the color. So we are working on low frequency separation to blend the color to make the skin have one skin tone. So you come to your filter, come to your blur, then you come to your Gaussian blur. You click on your Gaussian blur. So the amount of Gaussian blur you add to your picture is the amount of texture you are going to have. For example, you added Gaussian blur 1.1, let me say just 1.0 Gaussian blur. After retouching your photo will come out as plastic. So for you to get the natural tone, so you have to increase your Gaussian blur. The increase of your Gaussian blur, the more your texture. So you increase your Gaussian blur to make sure the pimples, the pimples on this skin have already disappeared. So you remove it. So we use 9.8. Then you click OK. After clicking OK, then you come to the high frequency separation. Then you turn it on. You click on it. Then you come to your image. You come to image. Then you come to apply image. You click on apply image. Here you can see this layer. This is the layer. You click on the layer. This channel, don't touch the channel, leave the channel like this. This invert, you only make use of the invert when your image is 16-bit image. But right now we are working with 8-bit image. So you leave the invert. So here you leave here like this. Since it is 8-bit image, you leave it like this. Then you come to layer. You change your layer from high to low. You change your layer from the high to low. Now we are working with the low frequency separation. So you change your layer to low. Then if you have not opened it before, here will appear as normal. here will appear as normal. So this is how it will come out. I have used my Photoshop, that's why it appear as subtract. So since we are working with 8-bit image, so you will change it from normal to subtraction. But if you are working with 16-bit image, if your image is 16-bit, you change it from normal to add. But now we are not working with 16-bit image, so we will change it from add to subtraction. So it's subtract. So after you add the subtract, you leave the rest things the way it is. You can make use of my setting. Yes, you can make use of my setting. Then you click OK. After clicking OK, you come to your blend mode. You remove it from normal to linear light. You click OK. Then now you group your layer. Here you can name it as frequency. Let me use abbreviation. Frequency, then separation. Frequency separation. So we are using frequency separation. So you name it frequency separation. So here now you turn it on. Then you come to your low frequency separation. You click on the low frequency separation. Then you turn off your high frequency separation. Then you come to where your tools is. Then here you in some Photoshop you might find your mixer brush tool here, but in other Photoshop you might find it here. So this is where my own is. You right click. When you right click, you come here, you search for your mixer brush tools. So this is mixer brush tool. You can see it here. This is mixer brush tool. You click on your mixer brush tool. Then you come to your width, your setting. Make sure your hardness is 0. You make sure your hardness is 0. Then you come to your width. Make sure your width, I always recommend from 1 to 22. From 1 to 22. The width from 1 to 22, you can make use of from 1 to 22. That's my recommendation for my students. Then your floor, you can make use of from 1 to 15. Yes, that's the best. That's the best to use from 1 to 15. But I will be using 9, and I will be using width 22. So you can set your tools like this. Your mixer brush tool, you can set it this way. You can copy my setting. Then now you zoom in, then you blend the places you think the color is not blend, you blend it. So here you can make use of black and white for you to see the places that has different color. For you to see it very well, you can use black and white. So you can see, so you take the red down a little, then you bring the yellow up a little. So now you can see that the place you need to work on, they are showing properly. So now you come to your low frequency separation. Then you work on the place that has different color. Tone, you mix it together, and when you are mixing it, you have to follow the structure of the face so that you won't scatter the face structure. So we're just going to do this so fast based on some don't really have much time. So you when you are doing your frequency separation, make sure you take your time to do it. I will be doing it so fast based on the people who are watching, so I will be doing it so fast. So now we are done with our retouching. So let me turn off the black and white, and you can see. So you see, this is before, this is after. This is before, this is after. Let me zoom it closely. This is before, this is after. This is before, this is after. So you can still see some some black dots on the skin. Because you see some black dots on the skin. If you want to remove it, then now you come to your high frequency, then you click on the patch tool, which is this. You click on the patch tool, then now you come here, you just pick the black spots, then you take it off. Pick the black spots, you take it off. Pick the black spots, take it off. So this is how you make your skin look neat within a minute. So this is it. So we are done with the frequency separation. So this is this frequency separation. You can see the skin is not plastic. Before and after, before and after, nothing change. We only use we only clean up the breaches and, you know, balance the color. For example, you want to learn this to become perfectly, to learn it perfectly, you can send us a DM. Or you want to edit your pictures, you can also send us a DM. We are always open to put you through and, you know, to make you achieve your goals on editing stuff. So you can send us a DM or you comment, I'm interested to learn the full basic retouching. I still remain Nice Light Media. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you for watching.